Hi, my name is Mark at M2M Technology, and I'm here today with another one of our quick tech tips. Today, how to install Sage 200 eBanking. For example, if you've got a new PC. You'll often get Sage 200 installed for you. We may have done it ourselves, but if it turns out you have to do payments to your suppliers as well, you'll need a little bit more. Happily, it's dead easy. If you go to the Tools menu, choose Installers, and then click eBanking, it'll only take a moment, but the eBanking module will then be installed. You may be asked for an administrator's password, but you probably won't, and if you blink, you'll probably miss it. So don't worry if you don't notice. Anyway, once that module's installed, you then need to install the appropriate plugin. To do that, go to Google, type Sage eBanking Downloads, visit the Sage website, scroll down the list, click to download the plugin for you. Once it's downloaded, double-click on it to install, and then restart your Sage 200 system, you're done. The rain's coming down significantly heavier now, so I'm going to say that's all, folks. If you've got any questions or problems, 01245 494847, or email servicedesk@m2mit.uk, or visit either of our websites, m2mit.uk or support.m2m.host. Thanks very much for your time, and I'm going to go inside now. Cheers. Bye-bye.